Yeah. You can wave it. Yeah. Wave it, baby. Wave it, baby.
Hi everyone. Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with another fun-filled DIY to share with you guys. I found the mirror tiles at the Dollar Tree, so I'm coming on to share with you guys a nice little centerpiece for any event that you're having, whether it be a wedding, an anniversary, even better like a birthday dinner, or any kind of event that you're having that you would like a centerpiece for your table. Yeah, so that's what I'm coming on to share with you guys today. So let's get into the items that we will be using for today's DIY. Alright everyone, here are the items that we'll be using today. Okay, we have the vases from the Dollar Tree, the tall and the smaller ones. And we have our crystal candle holder here. And we have these beads here that I got from the Dollar Tree. And we have some blue mirror tiles. Yes, we do. They have them in all sorts of colors. And I bought the blue ones. And we have our bling wrap here from Totally Dazzled. And our lovely gems from Totally Dazzled too. You know I love using these gems. I'll be using some E6000 and some hot glue also for the project today. Alright everyone, let's get started. Okay, we're gonna start with the smaller vase. I have two of these vases and one tall one. So I'm gonna start by putting these tiles going around. And these tiles are much harder to work with than the regular ones that I do. You have to break them for them to turn. Yeah, and you have to be careful while you break them because they tend to be chipping. Oh, but anyways, we are going to do what we can, and I'll be using the E6000 and placing it going right around. We're going to do a pattern with these tiles. And now we're going to be laying our strips going straight up. Some will be tall and some will be shorter. So we're just going to do this pattern going right around the vase. Okay, we did all the squares going all the way around. And I did leave an open space right here, and you'll see why after. So now we're going to use some of the bling wrap from Totally Dazzled and just add some more decor style to our vase. Okay, and now we have the taller vase, which I had to put the strips going a little higher than the other one. So you just cut taller pieces and with the same pattern going all the way around the vase. So now our vase is all done. Doesn't that look nice? I love the pattern. So now for the open space that we left, we're going to add our bling gems from Totally Dazzled. Oh boy. And you just take off the little nab off the bottom, off the back. It's very easy to take off, just like that. And then we're just going to use some glue. I'm using the Gorilla Glue sticks. And put a generous amount for everywhere that the brooch touches your vase. That's where you add your glue. And just hold it down because the glue is hot. So it will take a second to dry. So So just hold it down and then you're all set. And here's our finished look. I did 2 of the small vase and 1 of the taller vase, and I placed it on the clear candlestick holder. Yes. I think it turned out lovely. The blue mirror tiles look lovely with the silver bling wrap going up the side. A lovely piece of event decor for your center table in whichever event you would like to host. This will make a lovely centerpiece. And like I said, I love the blue mirror tiles from the Dollar Tree. Just have to be careful when you're working with them. They are more delicate and easier to crack, hard to break apart, and when they do, they crack very easy. But just take your time and you can work with them just like I did, and it looks absolutely beautiful. Here we go with candles inside, the floating candles. You can put flowers if you like, but I think it looks much more elegant with the floating candles. And here we go with the lights turned down. Doesn't that look beautiful? I think it does. I think it's a lovely piece of decor. Using what? Items from the Dollar Tree. And some of our bling gems and bling wrap from Totally Dazzled. You have an absolutely beautiful centerpiece for your event table. And I have the link below in the description box to Totally Dazzled. Just go down there and click on the link, and you can go on their site and see all the lovely items that they have for your event planning decor. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed that centerpiece. I really think it turned out elegant and nice like I told you. So, and like I said, it's for any event that you're having. It's a lovely centerpiece for your table. Yes, it is. Okay, I am going to have a giveaway. And what I'll be giving away is some bling wrap from Totally Dazzled. Yes, yes, yes. Look at this nice bag that my wraps came in. Isn't that nice? Totally Dazzled bag. Yeah, so I have 2 bling wraps to give away, silver and rose gold. And what I was thinking of doing is cutting them in half, because we'll have 2 winners. You see my finger, you guys? I hurt my finger. Yes, I did. So I have on a band-aid. Oh, it's so annoying. Anyways, like I said, I was thinking of cutting the bling wrap in half. So half of the silver, half of the rose gold. So the winners both get 1 of each color, because it is a good size roll. So if I even split them in half, you still get a lot. Yeah, that way you'll have both colors to work with. I think that is a good idea. Yeah, I think I'll do that. I'm going to split them in half, so each winner gets some silver and some gold evenly. Yeah. So I'm going to have these in my giveaway. And for only 1 person though, I'll be adding these square pieces too. I'm going to go back and see if I can find more. For the DIY that we just did, I used 5 packs. 5 packs I used to do that centerpiece, and I only have 3 left over. But before my giveaway is finished, I'm going to keep checking the Dollar Tree, and if I find more, I'll add more to the package to make it 5. So you guys can make the same kind of centerpiece that I did, if you choose to, or even do something else with it. So I'll try and find more pieces. I don't promise, but I will try, and if I do, I will add them to the package. I don't know if you guys remember, but a while back I did a giveaway on the table, the number holders for the table. Yeah, these here, the number holders for the tables. These cute little things here, card holders for your table, or any little event thing you want to put on your table. You stick it in the back here and you place it on your table. And I had them in silver, rose gold, and gold. I think it's 7 pieces. 3 and 3 is 6, 1 is 7. 7 of them in different sizes. I'm sorry, you guys, I can't take all of them at once. But anyways, I did that giveaway and I put up the winning video and the person did not claim the prize. Even till now, still didn't claim the prize. The video is still up and they didn't claim the prize. I do give 48 hours to claim my prizes, but nobody claimed it up till now, and I think it's going on like maybe about 4 months now or so since I did that video. So I'm going to be giving them away again. Now please, 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 if you don't want the items that I'm giving away, please do not enter the giveaway. And if you do enter the giveaway, please check out the winning video to see if you won, because if you enter, you have a chance of winning. Yes. So I just wanted to add that in there. Alright, you guys, so the rules for this giveaway is very plain and simple. Number 1, be a subscriber to my channel. Number 2, like this video, give me a thumbs up. Number 3, leave the comment blue mirror. Yeah, blue mirror. Leave that comment down below. That way I know you'll be entered into the giveaway. And the 4th option, which is not for everyone, it's only if you have Instagram. Go over to Instagram, subscribe to me, follow me, not subscribe, follow me on Instagram. And this giveaway will run from today until October the 19th. Yes, and I should be putting up the winner's video on October the 20th. Please, October the 20th, look out for the winning video of the 3 winners. 1 winner is gonna win rose gold and silver bling wrap with the blue mirrored sheets. Only one winner is gonna win that. The 2nd winner is going to win just the rose gold and the silver bling wrap, and the 3rd winner is going to win the table number holders, the table card holders, plus a bling wrap. Not a full one, half or so, not even a quarter, but not a full bling wrap with the table runners. I hope you guys got that. Oh, I think I'm confusing myself, much less confusing you. Okay, you guys. Once again, thank you so much for coming on and seeing the DIY that I had to share with you guys. And you know I really appreciate you. Yes, I do. So, with all that being said, remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye, everyone.